Alright, this is the Tyee Motel in Port Alberni, British Columbia. This is going to be a small room tour of this lousy property. My hotel room is just over here. Oop. This place has no elevators. How stupid. Room 122. Well, this is the hotel's bedroom is room 122. So, yeah. That's all my friend's crap. That's all from Henderson. Hello. I'm in my pajamas. I got some pillows and sheets. I forget what's that. It's an old telephone. Tyee Motel. There's our old lamp. Wires. Nice comfy chair. Pictures. It's a little bit outdated, but looks okay, but not too horrible. Bed's nice and comfortable. Yep, you see that? See some window curtains. There's me again. Hello. Alright, I'm gonna head to the next room. Alright, hello. Washroom. Sink. AS toilet. Pretty dirty shower. These cube walls are pretty outdated. And there's your window again. Shower curtains. Toilet paper. And yeah, here's your garbage can. And some toilet paper again. And your pretty decent fluffy towel. Yep. And this is the hotel. It's bathroom. Hello. Alright. Alright. Here's the kitchen of my motel. I have to keep it down because my friend's sleeping, so yeah. And there's a stove with an outlet. How funny is that? You can see stains on the kitchen drawers. They're kind of nice, but outdated. Of course, it's a motel, but there's your sink, refrigerator. You got a nice newer TV here, which is good. It's Toshiba. Of course, microwave is handy. Curtains. There's the bed. Yep, it's a couch bed. I like it. That's where I slept. And there's a table with 2 chairs. One with all my crap. And yeah, there's another lamp with a McDonald's drink. What's it? Yeah. There's a pretty old painting. So yeah, this is a room tour finale. Well, the end of it. This is the end of my room tour of this Tyee Motel in Port Alberni, British Columbia. So that's it.